on the Pacific coast of Oregon, where four dudes find themselves after 3 weeks out on the road in the western United States. So far, they've climbed high mountains, swam in frigid waters, and braved harsh blizzards. The rest of their journey will take them down to Southern California, where they will venture through tall redwood forests and hit white sandy beaches. 62 days, 7 states, 1 squad with no name.
Alright, we are in Portland, Oregon at Great Notion Brewery. Trying out a lot of fun beers. If you can look around, there's beers of all sorts of colors and shapes and sizes and flavors, and we got some seltzers even, and some dark beers, some light beers, all with some wacky flavors.
Mitch, what was your favorite?
Oh, definitely the blue raspberry, because blue is the color of my eyes. That's pretty hot.
My favorite?
Yes.
Oh, the Oink, for sure. It was like bacon infused with some syrup. Dark stout, super good.
Gross.
So we're at Ecliptic Brewing now in Portland, Oregon. We got the Capella Porter right here, which myself and yourself have. It's award-winning at several US Open beer festivals. We also got some hazy IPAs. Whatever Mitch got. Hello from Powell's Books in Portland, Oregon. This is, I think, the biggest bookstore in the entire world or something. It's like a whole city block size. Pretty huge. A lot of it's closed for COVID, but we got us some books here. I got a Kurt Vonnegut book. Mitch got Think Like a Monk. And Bean got the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy series.
We are in Brookings, Oregon right now. We were originally going to go to Crater Lake this weekend. However, we've discovered it was closed. We found a cool little thing on the internet called Natural Bridges, and we decided to check it out. It is very steep and difficult. We're falling over the place.